Hello, Sarah here. While I was editing my next video, I thought it would be nice for you to preview and learn how to attach an invisible zipper in advance, especially for those who aren't experienced or are feeling intimidated because it's your first time. I hope this step-by-step video is clear enough for you to feel like you have mastered the invisible zipper. But always remember, you will need to practice to make it look neat, and this is where experience with a regular zipper will help immensely. We will learn how to sew it with the lining, so I have prepared the main fabric as well as the lining fabric. Mark the zippered area. I forgot this time, but you will make a neater and stronger zippered garment if you interface the area. Prepare the invisible zipper. If your zipper is too long, create a new bottom stop by zigzag stitching and trimming it about 2 inches longer than the zippered area. We don't need to finish the edge because we are using a lining, so the raw edges will be hidden. But if you're not using a lining, serge or finish the edge using your preferred method. Sew the main areas, leaving the zippered area. A few back stitches will secure the zippered end. Open the seams and press. Open the zipper and press the teeth of the zipper away from the zipper tape. We will be sewing as close to the zipper teeth as we can. Press well will help that a lot. Can you see the difference? If you're having a hard time pressing it, soak the zipper in the water and press. Bend the upper end of zipper close to the zipper teeth and mark. Let's start with the right side because it's easier to sew. Align the zipper teeth to the folded line and pin well. Try to sew as close to the teeth as possible. The invisible zipper presser foot will do all the work. You should pin the other side well, otherwise it will wiggle. Make sure both sides align well and pin. Sew as close to the teeth as possible. Ta-da! It doesn't look bad. I give all the credit to my amazing invisible zipper presser foot. Open the seam and match the lining and pin. Sew together, stopping 2 inches from the zipper teeth. Now, instead of matching the main fabric and lining fabric, we will make the lining fabric show and pin. Trust me when I say it will look beautifully neat inside. Pin and sew anywhere between the main stitch and the serged edge. Just make sure it's straight. And move the zipper pull when you reach it, just like when you sew the regular zippers. Now the upper edge doesn't seem to match, but that's natural. Fold the zipper and make both layers flat and sew the vent. Trim the seam, trim the corner if necessary, and turn right side out. Repeat all steps on the other side. And now you have nicely lined invisible zippered area. This invisible zipper will never get stuck thanks to the gap between the teeth and the lining. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial video and that it helped you embrace garments with an invisible zipper. Thanks for watching and I will meet you on my next video. 안녕!